My name is Lanx, and I graduated from Birmingham with a LLB. I'm currently working for Prudential as its Global Head of Privacy, and I'm also an Adjunct Associate Professor with the National University of Singapore, the School of Law. Because as an in-house, there's a lot of things involved. First, you are no longer a pure lawyers. You are part of institutions. You are not providing just a legal advice and whatever your client is doing with the legal advice is not of your business. Unless if you go to court, then you have to see through the entire court trial. But as an in-house, every project, every product, every services is your baby. I mean, of course, there's a product team, there's a customer service team, there's a sales team. But what I meant is your baby is that even if the product is launched, if there's something that goes wrong with your advice, you will suffer firsthand the repercussion, especially if it's a privacy, cybersecurity related advice that I've given. And a lot of times, as an in-house role, you are the cost center, you are no longer the profit center, unlike in the law firms. Lawyers is the product. Lawyers is the money-making component. Whereas as in-house, I'm a cost center. So I need to understand that the dynamic between me and my client is different. As in the law firm, people pay you to get the advice. In-house, people come to you because it's necessary. It's not because they want to, but it's necessary. It's a part of compliance and legal stuff. So they come to you, and there's always a reputation that in-house is a deal broker. That is a very important image to share. And why in-house is always viewed as the deal broker? Because as a lawyer, you just take the law and that's it. But as an in-house, I can't just take the law. My stakeholder will not accept it. No matter how hard is it, I need to find a solution for them. And that goes beyond the law. That needs to really make me think out of the box, be creative, really understand the product in and out. And again, being in the law firms, you only see the tip of the iceberg in terms of the product and services. Because you are not part of the company, they're not going to disclose the most sensitive technology behind their AI to you. Whereas in-house role, I was getting all the knowledge, the most advanced AI technology I've ever seen in my life was taught to me by my engineers. And that I need to be very versatile. I need to go and read out on my own. No one is going to sit you down, Lanx. I give you a 101 class on what is the AI, what is the metaverse, what is the data analytics. And no one actually teach me all this. I learned it in my days in all the tech companies that I work in. I have to go and read out on internet and study on my own, research on my own. What exactly are these technologies? So I can speak on the same lingo as my sales, my product, my engineers. And when you are able to speak their own lingo, you behave like them exactly, you gain their trust. The engineer will trust you because you speak the same language. The business folks see that you have the commercial sense. They trust you again. And whenever you can find the solution for them, seek the middle ground for them, you will shine as an in-house. And it's a very different skill set as a legal practitioner, a lawyer in private practice in law firms. And that's why certain of my friends, like myself, we thrive as in-house role. We don't really see ourselves fit for law firms. Some of my friends, they join in-house, they don't like it, they return back. Because they feel that they don't have the power as they feel in law firms. When they give a legal advice, the client will just take it. Yeah, because the clients are generally lay people and they pay good money for the legal advice. And they feel that they are not giving a full legal job per se, that being a lawyer is like everything is just about the law. In my role, I would say that maybe 20–30%. The rest is about stakeholder management, understanding the product, understanding the service, understand the company vision, understand what the company is working towards. How can I enable all these people to reach the company missions and goals?